Do y'all want a command block?
I did finish this video.
Wait,
Hello,
command block. There we go.
Rafa set for Rafi
There you go, command block all exist.
Today I'm with
Wrong, there we
Lavaz
go.
Games, Swag Puppy, and Julien
Juste check
Vautour.
pas ma stream, ça. Just check
And
pas ma
it's-
stream.
It is Tuesday, March 22nd, 2016.
Chainsaw!
We're gonna see more rock
Non, c'est
wrestling.
pas un mod.
It's a quick light.
C'est pas un mod, check, ça met un bow. C'est un rate texture pack. Un texture pack, là. Là, ça dit bonjour, Lavaz Game. Ça, c'est un creepy read. Là, c'est ça. Puis quand je shoot ça, oh, ça c'était pas shoot, c'était bleed everything. Ok, well, quand tu,
Oh my
je sais
God.
pas comment dire.
Adventuring
shoot
and Agenda.
Ça va, ça,
Angelo,
le
sorry.
bulletin, c'est pas vu.
Data
C'est
says
pour pas que ça dise
May
bonjour,
20th,
ça va être bonjour
2003.
Lavaz Game, ça va.
And
Play sound TN.
these two blockbuster movies. Widows, which was purchased on January 21st, 2003, and
My mom feels
Victor Rising Victor Regulus, I think it says. August, and two dates. August 26, 2003 and August 27, 2007.
This is good. So cool.
There are two dates in this tape. Traffic, 2001 DHS. It says 2003 for some reason on the dates. It says October 15th, 2001. That's the date. This is a really awesome good finds on the eBay site. It's pretty good. Jason and the Argonauts. Date is, it says, August 15th, 2000.
Look at still, man.
Oh my, what is it? Oh my God.
Man, ça. C'est-tu plus réaliste comme ça? Écoute ça.
I'll find the
Écoute
VHS.
ça, man. Écoute.
Look for a VHS tape. VHS. This one I found. K9PI. And the data says July 30th, 2002.
Let's not get a reload.
And that's it. This is me, Rafa, at RafiPictures.com signing out.